Do you want to extract the table data from website into directly the CSV, not even opening a web browser? Then this shot is for you. Let's get started. Before start writing a code, please ensure you have installed the request Beautiful Soup 4 version and CSV packages. So as I have already installed, I'm going to start it. Import request, import CSV, and then Beautiful Soup import BS4, import Beautiful Soup. So it's already imported. Then I'm using the website for this scrapping. This is a free website. You can scrap for testing. This is a website URL where has a table and stuff. We can scrap freely. So I'm going to scrap everything, entire website. So request dot get the URL dot the text. So we got it, entire website been scrapped. So now I will pass to the soup, beautiful soup, then HTML, parse the HTML, the parser, then parsing is done, then we spread the tables and columns, rows, soup dot find table. I'm going to find a single table, and then all the rows equal to soup dot find all table rows tr, and then so we find all the table rows. Then we open a file CSV to place all the values into CSV. So now I'm creating a teams.csv as a file, comma. So what operation? Write operation, comma, new line we have to give by the empty, comma. So encoding will be UTF-8. This is just a default settings we have to give for, creating a CSV, UTF-8 as file. Then so writer equal to CSV dot writer file. So we got the writers, and then just iterate the rows. In rows, columns equal to row dot find all the table head, comma, table data equal to column so first I row column in columns. So we are iterating through the columns. Then we remove the extra space and text. So column dot text dot strip, remove the extra spaces around the value. So we got the entire data, and we write them into the CSV writer dot write row here data. Then so UTF-8, it's not 9. So we saved the data. So you can see here the team.csv, the file is created. So all the files has been data been extracted from the website and saved into the CSV file. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.